What's up, guys? Steve here from Cup Break NL, and we are getting ready for the big break. It is 16-17 Upper Deck, the Cup Master Case. Going to be a nice break. Hopefully, we got some big cards coming our way. The goal horn is locked and ready to roll. We are live. Here comes your teams. Good luck, folks. It is 9:35 here in Newfoundland right now, and we are live at 10 o'clock. Anaheim to Winnipeg, and Johnny, spot 1, Chad, spot 30, everybody in between. Take a look. Copied over from Facebook. Good luck, guys. Here we go. 1. Big time random. The Maple Leafs are the heavy favorite here, but you're looking for a couple teams for sure. 3 is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3 says... Timestamp says 9:36. 9:36 it is. We're on our last and final timestamp. Minnesota on top spot. You want to stay away from there. And Arizona at the halfway mark, or at the bottom point. Here's your 4th and final timestamp on the teams. It is 9:36. So you guys got some time for trades. There's 9:36 on the clock. Let's copy them over. Minnesota top spot. Detroit, good team to have. Halfway. Minnesota to Detroit. Rangers, also not a bad team to have, to Arizona. There's your teams. Now let's do the names to match them up. It is 9:36, getting ready to turn 9:37. Let me scoot down through. Looks good to me. Good luck, folks. 1, 2, excuse me. 3 is a timestamp. Oh, timestamp on 3. Timestamp on 3 is 9:37. 9:37, last and final. It's a big one. Here we go. Let's copy him over. Johnny, I know he'll be happy about getting Minnesota. Here's your 4th and final timestamp. This is the final, 9:37 and 9:37. Let's copy these over. Johnny, top spot. Chad, halfway mark. Then we got Ryan to Jay. All right, folks. There is your teams. We are going to post them in the comments. We'll see you in about 25 minutes. Best of luck.